how to update your Android SDK to version 35 or 36 in Android Studio. Now, sometimes when you try to build your project, you may come across an error saying that you need to compile against version 35 or later. If this is the case, you may want to go ahead and update or install the latest Android SDK version 35 or 36. Here we're going to go into settings here, click on the settings icon, and you want to click on SDK Manager. Now just wait for that to pop up. In here you go down and expand out languages and framework, and click on Android SDK. To your right hand side, click on the SDK platform tab, and down here select Android API 35. So click on that and then click on Android API 36. You can see on the right hand side here in the status column, it shows that not installed or partially installed. So you want to click on the applied and then have them download and installed. So here the following components will be installed. Android SDK platform 36 will be installed, and 35 will be installed. Estimated download size are 158 megabytes, so just click on OK and just wait for that to finish. Okay, when it has finished, just click on the finish button and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see that the status should show installed, and click on OK to finish. Now, if you already created a project which have a settings compile against version 34, you will see this message. So you can go into your build.gradle.kts and update your compile SDK. So you can change the target version to 35 and then save it. So just restart the build output here. Okay, so after updating the Android SDK to 35, I can now successfully run my app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.